Hmm. We just had the first real snowfall of the season. So I don't want to show you, but I did a little short. Shows you that I put the stuff on the throughout seat on top of the snow. And I put peanuts in the shell on the window ledge too. Sunflower seeds, millet. So we got about a couple inches of snow. You see the blue jay in the background? I just closed the window a little because it's still cold coming in. But I do like some air. You also don't see all the doves that are in the little chickadee type of birds. Some European starlings that are on the ground because I threw out a couple seeds of, I made a couple of cups of millet and sunflower seed out there on the ground in the bushes in the snow. So